Twiflex is a world-leading manufacturer of industrial braking systems.
We have a very broad range of standard products. At the very light end of the product range, we may be supplying tensioning brakes for textile production, and at the very high end, around the 700-800 kilonewtons of braking force, these are typically used in the mining industry, on grinding mills or on winders.
The way that we work with our customers is through a product manager. Product manager becomes a key contact with the customer, and that product manager is a skilled engineer, typically with about 20-25 years experience.
When we talk with our customers, we like to talk engineer to engineer. We don't just deal with sales catalogues and pretty brochures. We send out an engineer who really understands the product and the market it's being sold into.
Customers never want standard products. You can have a standard catalogue, but they always want something slightly different, especially in the areas that we work in.
It's not until you have worked over many years do you get a full appreciation of the effectiveness of the solution that's been provided and how those products and those services might be more finely tuned to the market in question.
We have a great benefit that we have an R&D test centre on site, so we can get early access to testing. It's particularly important for the customer to know that we do these tests so that he can be completely assured, that we are delivering a product that's going to meet the specifications. Now that we've implemented Lean for 10 years here, we've arrived at 4 cells. It's far more flexible to the customer. The idea really is to do it in a one-piece flow, and that's a much more efficient way of producing parts. And by doing that, I think we give a much better quality to the customer. Lead time has moved from 8 weeks right the way down to 1 week now.
Twiflex joined Ultra in 2006. The greatest benefit that I see is that we can continue to offer local support to our customers, but on a global basis. So much can be done theoretically. The engineers can make a theoretical design to solve a particular solution in industry, but there's no substitute for experience.
Twiflex has been in the brakes business for approximately 70 years now. It was one of the great innovators in bringing disc brake technology from the automotive market and applying it to an industrial application, industrial market. We're still great innovators. A lot of those leading features that customers look for were designed and brought to the market by Twiflex. We're very engineering led, so we're always creating new designs to fulfill customer requirements.